guys! Aquire, welcome back to this channel. So, the same outfit kasi meron akong ipapakita sa inyo. Excited lang ako ipakita sa inyo ito, guys. Meron kasing pinadala ang mask. Meron akong na-receive. Hindi pinadala, na-receive. From, ano ba? Makita ko nga ito sa maskbar.co. So, I'm super proud. Congratulations to you, Christian Layesi. Meron din siyang YouTube. Kindly check him out. He's also a makeup enthusiast. So, ito na siya, guys. Na-open ko na siya. And, ta-da! This is the maskbar.co. So, super excited, guys. Tingnan nyo, ha? Tingnan nyo. Oh, my God. Ang ganda ng packaging nila, guys. And I'm super blessed kasi pagpunta nyo sa, meron silang Instagram account na maskbar.co rin. And makita nyo talaga on how they package their, and as in hands-on talaga si Christian ito. And let's support local, guys. Especially this time of pandemic. Diyos ko, guys. Kailangan nating mag-support ng ating mga local na And they're very talented. And I love their packaging. Tingnan nyo. And this is the color that I personally choose. So, meron talagang, PM 2.5. Parang filter to, no? Parang ilagay sa mask. So, ito siya. Excited kasi lalabas. Tchadan! Meron akong pink. Uy! Save with my outfit! And, tingnan nyo, guys, ha? Merong the maskbar.com. So, guys, ito na siya. Paragang, siya sa aking outfit. Sige, try natin. Guys, nag-match talaga sa outfit ko, guys, no? Thank you, Christian. Ay, baliktad. Ganito pala. Ay, sana meron akong black. Tapos, meron talagang dito, yung label. So, ganyan. Ganun. Classy, sassy, and super cool kasi ganyan, yung nose mo, nakaka-breathe ka talaga kasi ganito yung niya, edge. And then, parang snug fit talaga dito. And then this one is the filter. So, I think, hindi ako na-inform. So, ganito siya, guys. Meron siya, dito sa likod, meron siyang opening. Ilalagay mo to dito sa loob. I think lang feel ko lang. Para kasing filter to siya. I don't think is washable ba to? Tingnan ko muna sa nila, account nila, ha? Or ilalagay ba to dito? Struggle is real. Okay. So, nalagay ko na siya. And then, isi-spread natin. Para to talaga siyang filter, guys. And, yan. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So, ganyan. Yan. And meron pang isa, guys. Ito siya. Dalawa! Wow! Ito talaga yung pinaka super fave ko, guys, na design. Tingnan nyo. And, ganito siya. Tignan, ito siya ba? Ito yung, I'm super proud of you, Christian. Ito yung fave color. Fave ko to. Ito talaga yung fave color ko. Para akong Donald Duck. Pero gusto ko yung pink din. Kasi nag-match sa aking outfit. So, what would you think? So, picture mo na tayo. Ganon. Ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin'. Chinek ko yung prices. Ang prices nito, nakalimutan ko kasi, you should check their, Instagram, meron silang Instagram page, and they ship nationwide, and their shipping fee is 110, depending siguro sa places. And this one cost 410. Ito yata parang naka-sale sila nito. So, 100. And the other one is 200. So, I'm not really sure with the pricing, guys, kasi after kasing mag-order ka, meron silang form na you're going to fill up, and then after that, they're going to send you the proper billing, and then isend mo lang yung screenshot sa kanila na you paid, and then they're super fast talaga ng transaction, guys. And don't worry, I will be placing the link of their Instagram page. Doon kasi ako direct na nag-message sa kanila. So, check them out, guys. Let's support local businesses, especially here in the Philippines right now. So, see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much. And, pahabol, guys. Durable na durable yung materials niya. And I'm super proud of Christian for making this mask. Thank you! So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon next video. Bye-bye for now. Sarangin!